G'day pocket watchers. Time for part 2. Spirit needs crossing over. They're stuck in the trauma of what occurred here. Trauma is train driver watching a guy on a motorbike with a sidecar passenger try and outrun him, didn't make it. Don't need to explain what happened next. So we are talking to the train driver. He's talking to us about being trapped in their trauma here. So they've requested crossover, so we're going to do that. Can you hold this on my rods, please?
Okay, I'll just do a quick intro. Hello, so we relocated to safer ground so that we can help the train driver cross over because he's indicated that he's stuck here as a result of his own guilt. We told him that it's okay to cross over, and now we've got Pocket Watch here to help him do that. And Moira. Oh no, Moira's holding the camera.
And doing the work.
And doing the work. Okay, I'll just...
Yep.
There we go.
So, speaking to the train driver, who's requested to cross over. So we do things a little bit differently to anyone else. We just talk to our people on the other side. That brings in the tunnel, the white light, the gold light, whatever you want to call it, heaven's light. Every culture, every religion has different words for things. We're just going to keep it pretty basic and call it the trip home. So the train driver wants to go home. Train driver, please cross these rods to indicate, yes, you really do want to cross over. Okay. Open them back up, please. Okay, so your energy's getting real low, so we're just going to do this quick. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm going to give you an instruction, train driver. You follow that instruction, you'll be where you need to be. You won't have to be stuck here anymore. Come back here if you choose to. You don't have to be stuck here. You can live past your trauma. Train driver, one more time to be absolutely certain. Cross these roads if you want to cross over. Okay, that's a clear message. We're doing this. This is what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to look for the brightest light you can find, brighter than the sun. It's a gorgeous illuminating light. It'll be the only bright light around. I know you can see it because I can feel it. Just got it all up my back. But that's okay. Don't mind being splashed in a little bit of love light. Train driver. What I'd like you to do now is to take that first step into that light. Your second foot will have you there where you need to be. Moira and I give you permission to leave this realm now and to move on from this place. Go with peace, go with love, go with healing. Goodbye. You're most welcome. Most welcome, mate. It's been a long watch we've had. Take that step, mate. Okay, so now I'm going to see if he's still here. Train driver, are you still here? If you're still here, cross the rods. Gone home. Quick and as easy as that. It's not rocket science, it's not magic, it's just the way the universe works.
And he is in a much happier and better place now than he was here. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, we've got Pocket Watch channel, Moira, Megan, Warner, and it's goodbye from them and it's goodbye from me.
Catch us later. We're here with Come Hither with Heather. Werner's Adventures, he's out in the bush somewhere, you know what he's like. Here with Moira from Tits Out Tuesdays with Come Hither with Heather for the tarot reading. And the newest member of the team, Megan. Thanks for watching everyone. Good.